In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move a Smartsheet into a workspace so you can keep your projects organized and make collaboration easier for your team. Start by opening Smartsheet and locating the Browse panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all of your sheets, folders, and workspaces. Scroll through the list and find the sheet you want to move. Once you've located the sheet, click on it to select it. You don't need to open the sheet itself. Simply highlight it from the Browse panel so Smartsheet knows which item you want to move. Next, click and hold the sheet, then drag it toward the workspace where you want it stored. As you move the sheet, you'll notice Smartsheet highlights available folders and workspaces. When your desired workspace is highlighted, release your mouse button to drop the sheet into that location. A confirmation window may appear asking you to verify the move. Review the destination workspace and click OK or Confirm to continue. Once confirmed, the sheet will be moved into the selected workspace. You can also move a sheet by right-clicking the sheet name, selecting Move, and then choosing the destination workspace from the list. This method works well if you prefer using menus instead of drag and drop. After the move is complete, open the workspace to confirm that your sheet appears in the correct location. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing your browser or checking that you have the necessary permissions for the workspace. That's how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.